Hey, Dwayne Smith here with Sprinkler Warehouse. Today we are out in the field with a continuation of our sprinkler rescue series. What we're doing right here is there are these rotors that are, even though it's pretty high above the ground, it is still hitting these bricks as it is trying to water, and that is not efficient at all. Plus, it's not really great to have a rotor this high out of the ground. Ideally, it should be more flush with the ground. What our friends from Affordable Sprinklers are going to do is install one of these 12-inch tall PGPs by Hunter, and that's going to allow this to pop up and clear the bricks and be able to water the grass like it should. So let's get started.
Let's get started. The first step is to get the hardscape out of the way so we can excavate that old rotor. Mike is carefully removing soil out from around the rotor. He has a lot of experience digging up irrigation. If you don't have the experience digging around PVC, you might want to consider using a hand spade to avoid breaking any irrigation lines. Either way, be careful.
All right, Mike and Riley have been hard at work digging this hole. We can see the entire rotor now, and as you can see, it's just not big enough to do the job. What we're gonna be putting in place is this 12-inch PGP here. So the hole's gonna need to go deeper. Right now, this is sitting on a nipple riser going into a piece of PVC here, and then we're going to put it on a long swing joint that will allow this to go deeper into the soil. Once we get done, this is going to be level with the soil, and it will be able to pop up over these bricks that are around this area. So in order to make it easier to dig, we're going to go ahead and cut this pipe right here. And Mike has this great technique where he sticks some paper towels in the end to plug it up so he can work and dig the hole deeper.
On the bottom of this 12-inch rotor, we've installed a swing joint and a 1/2-inch elbow. The elbow is threaded on one side to attach to the swing joint and slip on the other side to attach to the PVC pipe. Checking here to make sure the hole is deep enough. Mike is cleaning off the pipe and applying primer and glue. And if you plug up the pipe with a paper towel, remember to pull it back out before installing the fitting, kind of important. And he slides the fitting on the pipe with a slight twist motion, which helps to spread the glue and make a more solid connection. And now to backfill the hole. You'll want to pack the dirt in around the rotor good and tight.
So as you can see, we've got the rotor flush with the soil now. It's where it's supposed to be. And Mike is putting back in the pavers now, and we'll fire it up in a minute and check it out.
And 3, 2, 1.
All right, so Mike is finishing up the last of that sprinkler, and once we are done, we are going to test out all the new rotors that we planted in the yard. This sprinkler system rescue is almost done. Remember, you can buy it all today on sprinklerwarehouse.com.